Hi guys, this is the review of Borussia Dortmund away jersey. I bought this jersey on myjersey.com, one of the best websites where you can buy soccer jersey very cheaply. As you can see, also the details of this jersey are very good. So the patches and the logos of the Borussia or the Puma are of a very good quality. Also the rear of the jersey is of a good quality, the written Dortmund is well done, and so I can say that I was very amazed when I saw this shirt for the first time, because I didn't think that a jersey that cost around $20 was of a so good quality. To buy on this website you have to go on myjersey.com, choose one of the hundreds jersey and then do the order. In the moment of the checkout, please insert my invitation code. You'll find it in the description. Finally, I can say that on this website there are a lot of jerseys of the most famous soccer team. The shipping is really fast and the delivery is about 10 days, 2 weeks to Europe. You have 365 days of return and a professional customer service for that you can contact for any problems. Buy on this website.